Hello, this is Matthew Priewe, Field Service Representative for LabriePlus. Today we're going to be discussing right-hand standard duty and heavy duty chain adjustments. For further information on this procedure, please reference the Labrie Technical Service Bulletin 14-28. Tools required for this procedure will be ratchet, half-inch socket, extension, calibrated torque wrench, half-inch wrench, 1.5-inch socket, tape measure, and straight edge. Prior to making any adjustments to the arm, we must shake hands with the arm first to determine if it is maladjusted. This can be done by grabbing the gripper finger and checking for any lateral movement. When shaking hands with the arm, look for a gap between the resting block and the guide lift arm assembly. Any gap will indicate that the arm is maladjusted. Once a maladjusted arm has been identified, you can continue by removing the chain access cover, removing the hardware from the front and the top, and now you can remove the chain access cover. The Labrie right hand utilizes 4 chains, 2 lower mounted chains, and 2 upper mounted chains. The top chains are only where the adjustments are made. The bottom chains act merely as an anchor. To begin the chain adjustment procedure, remove the upper chain retaining plates and hardware. And continue by removing the lower chain retaining plate and hardware. Next, we're ready to gather measurements. This is from the front face of the mast to the front face of the guide lift arms. Note your measurements from the left and right hand side. For chain adjustment, turn chain adjusting nut clockwise to tighten chains. Ensure that an equal amount of rotations are applied when chains are adjusted. Measure often while adjusting until desired dimensions are achieved. Continue by raising the lift arm to the top of its stroke. Torque the lower chain nut to specified torque. The chain adjustment procedure can now be completed by installing the retainer plates and hardware and installing the front chain access cover.